To add products to your site on Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Once you've accessed the site, log in to reach the website builder. From the account dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side with options including Setup Guide, Website, Pages, Styles, Selling, and Invoicing. Click on Pages and then select the plus sign in your main navigation, followed by Store. Choose a store template, such as the first option, and name your store, for example, Store 1. After selecting your store option, proceed with the store setup by choosing some basic settings and clicking Plus. You'll then be prompted to decide what type of product you want to sell: physical, service, or digital download. If you choose a physical product, enter the details and click Save. Your product can then be added to your website.